Alright, so if you got your old shocks that you just took off of your vehicle or whatever, and they're pretty much junk, and you're gonna get rid of them, or like on mine, you strip the bolt off up here, you can't just throw it away in the trash. So you have to properly dispose of it. So that's what I'm gonna show how to do. Basically, the idea is to punch a hole in 2 different places on here. One to let the gas out, and then the other for the oil. Turn it upside down and just drain all the oil out. So you may have been able to hear it, but the gas just kind of blew out, and it also smells pretty bad. I already got both my holes in here. Gas has escaped. I'm going to turn it over and drain the oil out. And I'm just going to keep letting this drain right here on the oil pan, and once it's all empty, I'll take it to the local recycling area that takes oily products.